Hey champs, now let's solve a quadratic equation when a is greater than 1. So a is the coefficient of x squared. So in this situation, a is equal to 3. Alright? So let me show you a kind of shortcut, new way to do it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply the last term, the constant, by the coefficient of b squared. We say, okay, let's take it out from -5 times 3 is -15, okay, equals 0. Now it is easier to solve a trinomial, a quadratic trinomial, when a is equal 1, so we don't have any coefficient for b. So we have many methods to use to factor this trinomial, the original one already, but I have a shortcut. So once we just multiply the last by the one that is at the front, so we're gonna do exactly what we were doing yesterday. We put the p, we put the p. So we need two numbers that when we multiply it, we get -15. But when we add it up, we get -1 and -2. -2. So we have 15. In how many ways we can get 15? Well, 3 times, well, -15, I mean. It could be -5 times 3, or could be -3 times 5. It also could be, let's say -15, could be also -15 times 1, or 15 times -1. Okay, all of them equals -15. But only one combination of those four will give us -2. So which one it is? Let's take the first one. If you have 3 minus 5, this one will give us -2. So this one checks is the one that we are looking for. Why the second combination is not? Because -3 plus 5 is 2. But we want -2. And those two, -15 plus 1 is -14. And this 15 minus 1 is 14. With this in mind, we know that the answer will be plus 3 minus 5, or -5 plus 3. -5 plus 3 doesn't matter the position at this point. But once we get it this way, because we multiply the last term, the constant, by 3, that is the coefficient of b squared. Now we're gonna divide the second one by 3, like the same 3. Then what happens here is this. Look, we do the math. We say p plus 3 over 3 is 1, alright? So on this one, what we're gonna do is we put the 3 at the front. 3p minus 5, okay? Disappear from the bottom, in parentheses, equals 0. Then once we have this right here, don't forget that if I have a product, if we multiply two terms equal to 0, it's because at least one of them is 0. So let's see, p plus 1 equals 0, or equals 0, or 3p minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can see that the first one is one-step equation, the second one is two-step equation. Now let's see. Why one-step equation? Because if we subtract 1 both sides, we got it. We have p plus 1 minus 1, -1. Okay, so p is equal to -1. The second one is to solve for p. We have to solve for p. First, we add 5. Both sides, add 5. We bring down 3p, cancel out, equal 5. Then we divide by 3, So p is equal 3 over 5. 5 over 3. 5 over 3. So answer, p is equal to -1, or p is equal to +5 over 3. Super champ, you made it.